boy C guy. Started today's video off on the John because you know what it is. Anyways, it's about 2 a.m. right now. I got this sudden urge to vlog, so you know we're doing the damn thing. I actually got more boxes from Infamous, so we're gonna be opening those up today, showing you the little tiny bit of progress I've made on the truck, and pretty much what we're gonna do to the truck still. So stay tuned for that, my boys. Alright guys, so we're in my backyard once again. It's snowy, cold, Kansas weather. But what are you gonna do? You know, we're out here unboxing some more parts from Infamous. Give you a nice little look-see on it. Alright guys, so I must have been fumbling with the camera too much and it stopped recording midway. So here's a comparison from the 2500 bags on the left and the 2600 bags on the right. I'm going to be running the 2600s up front and the 2500s in the rear. And the reason for that is that the 2500s in the rear is due to having minimal clearance and trying to make sure we have no rubbing components so that we can have a reliable air setup. The front, the 2600s will have added comfort as well as probably more durability because they'll be able to take a higher load rating. So continuing in this box here, we have the dual 444 Viair compressors. Those should do pretty well in this truck, as well as all the rest of the parts. There's another one of the 2600 bags. Over in this box, we've got a bunch of fittings here. And we got all the ASCO valves for the air management. And bunch of hose there, several of the air gauges, which you probably have a hard time seeing, but either way. And there's another one of the 2500 bags. This box here, don't really know what it is. Oh, the ABS 7 switch box, just a little backwards. And then continuing on even more. Before this video dies on me, I believe this is the tank. Sounds pretty tanky. Okay, yeah, so that's gonna be the tank there. Looks like it's got a bunch of ports, pretty good. And then this last box here, I want to say it's going to be the other link bars. Ooh, these bag mounts look wild, yo. Very nice pieces. Don't really know where they go just yet, but oh yeah. I'm trying to get the camera to focus there. Pretty sweet pieces though. Hell yeah. Okay, and these link bars look identical to the other ones, aside from this here. That looks a little odd. I wonder if there's a secondary bag mount or something. Oh yeah, I hear something in there. What the hell? Okay, so we got some gussets. We'll probably go onto those bag mounts. We have the other bag mount here. Real nice pieces, real nice pieces. Set that down. Alright guys, well that'll be all for the new parts. I'm going to go ahead and show you around my garage, show you what I've done to the truck, and a little bit about my setup that I'm going to be using to build this truck. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright guys, so in my garage, I've got a big mess as you can tell. But on the truck so far, as you can see, we've got the bed yanked off. We did drop the gas tank already. We've cut that cross member, which you can see right here. And we've already removed the leaf springs as well as the spare tire, anything else that's not really needed. We have the rear end in place, welded in place with it perfectly centered on the axle, or the axle is perfectly centered on the frame. So from here, all we got to do is start setting up all of our link bars, and I kind of got this wishbone mocked up, but it's really just a rough mock-up. Nothing has been tacked or anything. We still got to cut out another cross member that's down there. And once we get that cut out, then we'll be able to set up the rest of the wishbone mount and then permanently weld these tabs on to where we can start separating the truck and the axle and get an actual movement from it. But as you can see, we've also dropped the drive shaft. Got quite a bit of work to this truck to do still, so yeah, I've been slacking pretty hard. But continuing on to what we're doing with a welder, I got this Lincoln 210, which so far I've only used it with flux core, but I'm going to be getting some argon to run MIG on it soon, running it off of that 220 that I wired up. And I also got this Lotus LT 5000D. Need to set that bad boy up with an air compressor here soon. Be cutting this truck up like it damn well should be. But for now, my son's calling me in there, as you could probably hear, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning, so that's not a good sign. So this is your man C God. Sorry for the quick video, but like I said, I got other duties to attend to, so have a good day, man. Thank you.